Hello everyone. So today we are working with one of the FOSS application. Now when I say FOSS, the history goes back to 1950s. When hardware was purchased, there used to be no additional charges for bundled software, and source code would also be available in order to fix possible bugs in the software. It was actually a common practice back then for users with the freedom to customize the code. At that time, most academicians and researchers in the industry were the collaborators to develop such a software. The term open source was not there yet. Instead, the term that was popular at that time was public domain software. As of today, ideologically, both are very much different in nature, even though they may sound similar. So today we are going to see how we can use Windows system on Ubuntu. As we know, Ubuntu is a FOSS, free openware software, whereas Windows, there are applications which need to be purchased. Even Windows operating system needs to be purchased. Okay, so the people who can't afford a genuine Windows system, for them this will be a beneficial one. If they have one system, they can connect it through the FOSS Ubuntu. Now here what you need to do, first you go back to the Windows system which you want to connect. Go to the system, you'll get all these options. Click on remote. Check allow remote assistant connection to this computer. If it is unchecked, you will not able to connect to the Ubuntu system. So first make sure this is connected. Then no other settings needed. Click on OK. Then you check the IP address. One thing you need to make sure that your system needs to be in LAN, both Ubuntu as well as Windows system. They must be in LAN. Whether you have internet connection or no internet connection doesn't matter, but they must be connected through some switch or routers and a IP address assigned to it. Now here you can see I have an IP address 10.10.21.12. okay, so note this IP address which we need. One more thing which we need to see is the user and the associated password on the Windows system, with the information needed while we connect from the Ubuntu. Now next is go back to your Ubuntu system. If you go to the menu, you will find one application. By default it is installed on Ubuntu machine, that is called Remina. Click on it. Before going to show, or I can say before showing the exactly how it works, let us have some brief about this application. So Remina is a remote desktop client for POSIX based computer operating system. It supports remote desktop protocol. In short, it is called RDP, VNC, NX, XDMP, NCP, SPICE and SSH protocols. So here we are using RDP, that is remote desktop protocol. Okay, now let us double click on the or single click on the Remina. You will find this window which is showing remote desktop preference. Now let us name, you can give any name here. I am giving here as a Windows Lab, and you can check protocols here, which protocol you are using. So I am using here remote desktop protocol. Just click it. Don't make any changes here, leave it as it is. Now you can see it is asking some server. Now the IP address what we observed on the Windows system, just enter it. Then you enter username created on the Windows machine, then the password associated. Then you can select two colors, 32, whichever you want you can take it, no issue. So you have many options here. You can go ahead to those options. Once you connect, you'll understand. So these are the options available, but don't make any changes, not required at all. Then we can just click on save and connect. It will connect to the Windows system. You can see my computer on that system. I can see all the folders, all the files available. Okay, and you can run any program from the Ubuntu which are installed on the Windows machine. So my intention behind this video was to support and propagate the work related to the FOSS group. I am very much supporter of this group, which gives everything free. What they expect is the feedback, okay, and the issue raised by you. Okay, thank you.